Everyone's talking about crypto, but what is cryptocurrency, really? Some call it internet money, others say it's the future of finance, and a few think it's just hype. In the next few minutes, we'll break it down what crypto is, how it works, and why it matters without confusing tech jargon. By the end, you'll understand why the world can't stop talking about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Meek, and this is Module 2 of the Tech Cycle series, your beginner's guide to cryptocurrency and blockchain. If you missed Module 1 on blockchain, watch it after this video for a full foundation. Think of cryptocurrency as digital money that isn't controlled by any government or bank. It lives on a blockchain, a public, tamper-proof digital ledger that records every transaction. Instead of one central server, thousands of computers keep identical copies so no one can cheat the system. Trust is built into the network itself, not a middleman. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, appeared in 2009, created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. What began as an experiment became a global movement. Today there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Solana, and more, each with unique features. These are called altcoins. To use crypto, you need a wallet, your digital address. Hot wallets are online and convenient but more exposed to hackers. Cold wallets are offline, like a USB stick, and safer. Transactions are confirmed by mining or validation. Computers compete or stake coins to verify each transaction, keeping the network secure. Another reason crypto gains value is scarcity. Bitcoin, for example, has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. When demand rises and supply stays limited, prices can climb just like gold. Why bother with all this? For some, it's about financial freedom, sending money across borders in minutes with almost no fees. For others, it's a hedge against inflation because no government can print more Bitcoin. And for developers, it's a brand new tech playground. Smart contracts, decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs are opening doors we're only beginning to imagine. Quick stat. As of 2025, there are over 420 million crypto users worldwide, more than the entire US population. But crypto isn't risk-free. Prices can swing wildly in a single day. Hackers and phishing scams target careless users, so protecting your keys is critical. Regulations also vary, so what's legal today might change tomorrow. If you're curious, start small. Research carefully, invest only what you can afford to lose, and use reputable exchanges and secure wallets. Think of it like learning to swim. Begin in the shallow and before diving deeper. Cryptocurrency is more than internet money, it's a new way to think about trust and value. If this helped you understand the basics, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Up next in Module 3, we'll explore how blockchain really works, the powerful engine behind it all.